I applied to become an associate with the Leadership Academy because I was aware of the work that the Leadership Academy was doing through a role I was doing as a governor, and I just seen it as a massive opportunity for professional learning. So far has been working with some incredible people. There's a lot of incredible leaders that I've been involved with over the last 6 or 7 months, and it's just been fantastic learning from everybody else that's involved with the Leadership Academy. You should apply to become part of the next cohort, cohort 5, because this is probably going to be the biggest learning opportunity you're going to get. The collaboration and networking nationally is huge, and it really does, it's brought me forward as a professional and as a leader.